What's up, family? All right, so check this out. So I pull up to this customer house, and man, they were complaining that my van was just doing the most, basically, when I backed into their driveway. Right? So I went on YouTube, tried to find some videos to see how I could turn it off. Couldn't find nothing on Ford Transit, but I found this one guy that did a good video. So shout out to you, my guy. Appreciate that. It's hot out here. We're in Florida. So same thing. I'm gonna check it out with a Transit, and we're gonna do this together, y'all. So let's see. All right. So basically, you gotta go to the rear, and then go underneath here. Check out this camera so we can see. Okay. Can you see it? Yeah, you'll see this box right here. That's like a what do you call it? Like a speaker almost, right? And then you'll see these two cords right here. These two plugs right here attached to them. See it? All right. So I think what you're gonna need, two of these bad boys right here, or even one should be good. And then I got me a little box cutter. Try to cut it open. So yeah, it's the same thing. It's the same thing on the Transit, just like the Sprinters. Yeah, we ain't gonna filter nothing out, man. We ain't editing nothing. We're just doing it live so we can do, we can get this together. So look, just gotta get in there and just gently kind of pull the clip out a little bit, and then you see it. Yeah, just gently pull the clip out a little bit, and then just there you go, boom. Just like that, right? So let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna end up just using these straps right here and just like hold it back in place. You know what I mean? And just cut that off or something. Yeah, so it can just kind of stay together. Yeah, just like that. Boom. I'll just cut off that little excess piece over here. You know what I mean? Yeah. All right, let's go check it out. Let's see if that did the trick. All right. Now let's put it in reverse. Yeah, see? Camera's on. Just like that, y'all. Easy peasy. Appreciate y'all, man. Next time.